আর আজকে ইসকনের নিষেধাজ্ঞা নিয়ে, ইসকনের উপর নিষেধাজ্ঞা নিয়ে বিবৃতি বাংলাদেশ সরকারের, সেখানে বলা হলো ইসকনের উপরে কোনো নিষেধাজ্ঞা চাপানো হচ্ছে না, চিন্ময় কৃষ্ণ দাস তিনি সুবিচার পাবেন। এইভাবেই আজকে ইউনূস সরকার, তারা ইউনূসের সরকার আজকে এই বিবৃতি দিল, অর্থাৎ সংখ্যালঘুরা নিরাপদ আছে এটাও জানালো ইউনূস সরকার। বাংলাদেশের সব হিন্দু সুরক্ষিত রয়েছেন, বিবৃতি বাংলাদেশের ইউনূস সরকারের।
Professor Yunus, as the leader, as the head of the interim government, has appeal for calm and appeal for national unity. I think there is a huge information gap in India. Communal harmony has been preserved. Obviously, there were some attacks after Hasina was ousted, and there were no government for about 4 days. So what we did when we took over, this interim government took over, we tried our best. We put up our maximum efforts to maintain religious harmony. And that's why, like you have seen, Professor Yunus has visited the oldest temple, Hindu temple, and oldest and most sacred Hindu temple twice. And he met the Hindu leaders. He invited Hindu leaders to his office, not once, even Hindu young leaders also met him. And he also, during the Durga Puja, we declared another additional day of holiday, and every puja mandap, every puja mandap where the puja was celebrated has been brought under an app. We have put up security there, and we give magistracy power to military so that they can patrol, make sure that no untoward incident can happen. So it was for this year's Durga Puja, if you talk to the Hindu people and if you come and meet these people, they will tell you this is the I think the most religious safest puja in decades, I would say.
আর বাংলাদেশ সরকারের এই বিবৃতির পরেও আমাদের বিদেশ মন্ত্রক, ভারতের বিদেশ মন্ত্রকের কড়া বিবৃতি সংবাদ মাধ্যমের সামনে দেখুন।
India has consistently and strongly raised with the Bangladesh government the threats and targeted attacks on Hindus and other minorities. Our position on the matter is very clear. The interim government must live up to its responsibility of protecting all minorities. We are concerned at the surge of extremist rhetoric, increasing incidents of violence and provocation. These developments cannot be dismissed only as media exaggerations. We once again call upon Bangladesh to take all steps for the protection of minorities.